I have these 9 pink pipe cleaners that I'm going to line up and make sure the ends are even, and then I'm going to just twist them all the way down. Then I'm going to bend it in half and cut it so I have 2 equal parts. Then I'm going to take a white pipe cleaner and on one end, a small way up, I'm going to tie a knot and then cut the excess off. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. These are going to be a little long, so I'm going to cut a little more excess off, but I just want to keep them equal to one another. I found this sock at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take one. I'm going to put a little bit of fill in there. Just to give it some shape. I'm going to scoot it all the way down, and I found this love. It's just a round decorative ball, and I'm going to put some glue on the top. It says love in the front. I'm going to place the sock over that hot glue, so now it's like a little hat. Then I'm going to tuck my pipe cleaners, one on the right and one on the left, so they look like braids. I'm going to take a round puff ball that's pink. You can get them in a bag from the Dollar Tree, and glue as a nose. I took this heart and painted it black. And then I took this little wood slice that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I glued the heart to that wood slice. Then I'm going to glue the ball to the heart. And there you go. Now you have this cute little gnome. I'm going to put a little felt flower on the hat. You can get these also at the Dollar Tree. I'm very happy with my little gnome. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitoutfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitoutfancy.com.